This is a message from Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. O my servant, provide food elsewhere if sacrificial animals are not found in that other place. Feed your Muslim brothers, they are hungry. I, Allah, am with those who are starving and oppressed. Make a plan for yourselves to establish one feeding location and give to those who can distribute the food. Verily, you are brothers to your brothers suffering extreme affliction, and help your brothers in Palestine. Call out together so they may do likewise. Move together with my witness, calling my servants with my message. Do not fear, I, Allah, protect you, and use your time until 3 full moons, and I, Allah, will close the gate of martyrdom for the call of charity. From the call of charity something else will occur and you will find it difficult to do it. Take the easy way. Give charity directly to your brothers in Palestine. They will share it among themselves there. Hasten, call out together. None will harm you because of my dangerous and frightening word. Can they stop the various sins? And the fitna of Ad-Dajjal is covering the truth from me. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون آمين يا الله يا رب يا سميع يا بصير الحمد لله